Hello everyone, welcome to Zimi Studio. In this tutorial you will learn how to add text to your videos. So, let's get started. Open Filmora video editor. Import a video first. Drag and drop video in the timeline. Now to add text. Go to titles and choose the default title to add text. Choose the title you want and drop it on top of the video. Now extend the timeline. Now click on the title and go to advance. Now change the text you want. For example, I am writing my channel name. Change the font you want from the top. Change the font size. On the left side, you will see more options of the text. You can change the text color. You can change the text effect. You can increase or decrease the text opacity. You can change the text border color. You can add the text shadow and change its color. On the top, you can add some shapes. On the left side, you can find text animations. Select the text and double-click on the animation you want. You can find text presets. After this, our video is final to render. Let's play the video and check it out. If you would like to learn more about video editing, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated when we upload a new video on this channel. Do check out our other tutorials on this channel. And comment below to let us know what you want to learn next. Till then, stay creative with Filmora.